Hello everyone, I'm Lokesh here. Welcome back to CADD Nest. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use the design software Catia V5. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CADD Nest YouTube channel.
When you click on this icon, you can see it is asking us welcome to Catia V5, and there are no workbenches here. So in order to set our workbenches, we should go for Tools. Under Tools, we should go for Customize. Under Customize option, we will be having the required workbenches here. We will be adding our workbenches. First thing, I am going to add Assembly Design. Add it. Then next, I am going to add Drafting. Next we have Generative Sheet Metal Design. Add. The next Part Design. Add. And also the one more thing is Wireframe and Surface Design. Add. And give it as Close. Now you can see if I click on icon here you can see the workbenches which you all selected have been loaded here. With the help of this, you can directly go to the environment, that is Part Design Environment, Assembly Environment. You can go directly over here. Or else what should we do is, every time you should go for Start, every time you should go for Mechanical Design. Again here you should select whichever the workbenches you needed. So in order to minimize these steps, we go for Workbench Settings. That is, I'll click here. You can see the workbenches. When you click on the workbenches, it will directly take you to the respective environment. Like this. And the next thing is Plain Size Settings. For that, we'll go for Tools. Here we go for Options. Under Options, we go for Infrastructure. Under Infrastructure, go for Part Infrastructure. Here, under the display, you will be having a plain size. So the default plain size is 10 into 10. So you can increase or decrease the plain size as your requirement. Here I will be increasing it to say 40. And here I'll give it as OK. Now you can see the increase in plain size. Like this, you will be setting your plain size. The next we are having is, that is the unit setups. So unit setups is very important. Why? Because sometimes your drawing will be in millimeters and sometimes your drawing will be in inches. So in order to change your units, you will be going for Tools. Under here go for Options. Under Options, you should go for Parameters and Measures. Here go for Units. Here you will be specifying the required units. For example, if you want to change the length, that is the default is millimeter. Here you will be going and you will specify the required dimensions, that is millimeters, meters, centimeter, kilometer, inch. Whichever they select, it will take it as a default. So your drawing will be drawn in inches. If you go for millimeters, then your drawing will be drawn with millimeter as your units. And also for angles, the same way we have degrees, gradient, radian, degrees, turn, milliradian, inch per foot, angle, percent, etc. So the default will be taking as a degree itself. The length should be in millimeters and the angle should be in degrees. So this is about unit setup. These are all the basic settings that needs to be done before starting the CADD software. So this is all for now. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.